ole clear tu te chibai le vekule tuntum kan video a chuanin Indian Navy waya Artificer Apprentice AA le Senior Secondary Recruits SSR naruak sang dil theite kan en ho le donani Indian Navy chuan Artificer Apprentice AA le Senior Secondary Recruits SSR nakum sahni le somni pahni February batch tour chumi lagna tour advertisement chu ati chuak le a post work zong za thi post sahni le zanga ania chungzinga chuanin Artificer Apprentice AA hi post zanga ania Senior Secondary Recruits SSR hi post sangni ani thiam na ngai te deal tura thiam na ngai te han enila Artificer Apprentice AA hemi deal tur hian 10+2 a hianin 60% marks in maths and physics combined a khana ngaya chubaka chuanin heng chemistry bio le computer science khang ho pathum singa khan subject emober kha kan latel turani bokani maths le physics combined ba ka khanin chemistry bio le computer science khang ho singa khan pakhat tal lak tel turani bokani Senior Secondary Recruits SSR hemi dil tur hianin 10+2 pass angaya 10+2 a hianin maths and physics combined chumi ba ka chuanin chemistry bio le computer science an latel turani biochemistry le computer science pakhat zok kha subject pakhat tal kha an latel turani deal tu chu kumsahni le pahni February ni khat le sahni le panga January ni somthum pakhatin kara piang an ni turani salary pay and allowance han anila initial training period antia hemi initial training period chunga hianin thlatin stipend an la dona cheng sing khat sangli le zaruk stipend an hlo dona ni training an complete zo hnuwa chuanin defense pay level 3 chu cheng sing ni sangkha jasaria tanga singruk sang ko le za in kar kha an hlo le dona ni military service pay MSP sanga ba ka khanin dearness allowance DA kan ti thin kha applicable thai bokani promotion chungcha han enila SAFT atangin Master Chief Petty Officer pay level 8 thlengkha an kai sang theani Master Chief Petty Officer chu pay level 8 chu cheng singli sangsari zaruk atanga noi khat singa sangkhat le za khami inkar pay kha an la donani chuba ka chuanin MSP military service pay kha thlatin sanga ba ka dearness allowance ka tiang kha an claim thei donani tin an van nei chuanin commission officer thlengpon an kai sang thei bokani an ha tho dana zirin an performance zir khanin an kai sang thei donani selection process an enila written test PFT physical fitness test medical standard test khang pathum te kha selection process a chuanani dona deal tu zong singa mi sing khat kha approximate in mi sing khat vel kha written le PFT exam turian kawanga class 12 marks percentage merit based in an ko donani tin state wise in cut off mark kha an siam bok donani written test syllabus khan en leila written test a hianin section pali subject pali om dona English science maths le GK ten ni donani khang question te kha class 12 level class 12 standard ang khania set donani written exam a hianin question za omanga mark za apu donani negative marking om bokanga minute somruk darkar khatchunga chanzo turani donani written test nei ni la hianin physical fitness test PFT kan ti kha nei le ngal turani donani physical fitness test a hianin cut off mark om don lova qualifying kha atok mai donani running plan kha km khat le meter 1.6 km om dona 7 minutes chunga lan thlen turani donani chuba ka chuanin 20 squats le push up 10 times kha om don bokani chumi zo chuanin medical test kha om lenga medical test tur hianin AA B ka khanin mi zali an select dona tin SSR B ka khanin mi sangni le sanga an select donani chu state wise merit list azir khanin atitra AA tan khan mi zali tin SSR tan khan mi sangni sanga khan select donani height a hianin 157 cm ni angaya tin chest a khanin kan weight le kan chest kha in choi moi tok turani a chest expansion a khanin 5 cm kha expansion anti thai turani medical test a hianin mental le physical health kha an test don bokani training chung chang khan en leila AA kan ti ho kha 9 weeks an training anga tin SSR ho kha 22 weeks an training donani kan soita kan khanin khami initial training period chunga khanin stipend thlakhata cheng sing kha sangli le zaruk kha an la thin donani apply dan tur han enila online atanga form fill up turani dona www.joinindiannavy.gov.in khami atang khan apply turani donani video description a hianin hemi video description a hianin apply link kada a kan lo check out don nia starting date of application ti tran thei hun hi tun thla october ni som poruk atang khan ani towa last date hi october ni som ni le panga ani donani october ni som ni le panga last date ani donani online atang apply dan tutorial video hi nakina rem changa kanon siam le donani exam syllabus exam pattern official notification le advertisement tin question hlui poimo ang chi te khatiang kha kan moni chuanin membership whatsapp le telegram group lama kanin petrina online atanga apply thiam lo te po atu dana zerin kanin pui thin donani chuwang chuanin YouTube channel membership kan lo join thau don nia